भाई क्रेजी।
Total Gaming Esports.
अरे वाह क्या बात है।
पड़ोसी भी आ चुके हैं हमारे यहाँ।
Straw Hats Esports.
How we ended up seeing this fight is you cannot
एस्टेक कहाँ जा रहा है? जोकर के पास सीधा।
weighing the scale on just one team. It could
अरे ये
change
तो
within
पूरी
the blink
fielding
of an
करके
eye.
बैठे
Twisted
हैं।
Minds had the upper hand over there, but instantly turned around Mia Corp and now SHUL
से
Esports.
एस्टेक
And
आया था पीछे बट यार
Troll Gaming have to do some magic
कौन सी
like
गन
this
से
now.
मारा एस्टेक ने?
Spotting the player Joker from Lion, breaking the glue wall open. Now the best
बढ़िया
weapon
Joker
for
गया।
Aztec, but he had his teammate on the other end and Warthog pushing him into his crosshair and they find the knock. Confirmation to follow as well. And Troll Gaming this time going a rather aggressive approach at the very
अरे
start.
बढ़िया यार, एक और
Finding
गया।
the next knock as well, and that's going to be Aztec.
Sets it up for Water and confirms one himself as well. Total Gaming up to 2. Hacks the third one to get chased down, and it's Mafia with the Car 98. So make it 3 for the Indian team. But the job is not done just yet. They might have weathered the storm and sent Lion packing temporarily, but RRQ has just shown up in the compound, attracted by the gunfire, the noise of bullets flying in the air.
That's
And let's see
किसने
if
मारा?
Total Gaming can hold a candle to the Kings of Kings.
It is going to be tough.
इसको किसने damage दिया है?
How we ended up seeing RRQ without getting any point, going down in game number 1 and instantly in game number 2, 13 total eliminations. If they had placement points, they'd have looked at the top 5. And now they have an opportunity. But total
अच्छा माफिया ने मारा दूर से कवर मतलब बता दिया कि बंदा आ रहा है इधर
Can they continue that is something that we have to wait and approach for. But Al Ali, this team from the very beginning have been surprising every squad and now challenging Fluxo, taking the player but sent down.
अरे
And
MT7 को उठा लो।
Fluxo in trouble. MT7's also spotted. Hawk will try to take him down with his crosses, sneaking through. Can he
बच
find the
गया
hit on the
यार,
Car
shit
98?
भाई।
But no, so far.
भाई वोटा और
Somehow
शेंकी दोनों
Fluxo
चले
will be
गए।
able to make a run.
And RQ has done some significant
अरे
damage
बढ़िया
to
माफिया।
Total
अरे
Gaming.
दो
Two of
गए।
them go down.
बढ़िया।
But Mafia responds and Kai and gives himself the third RRQ, shattered in an instant.
क्रेजी भाई क्रेजी क्रेजी क्रेजी
Everybody
W।
who watches Toll Gaming in India, they know what Mafia is capable of. If he is in form, the entire squad will rally with him. And it seems like in game number 3, they've decided. And Maal, again, the last
Maal,
man, Neptune
Maal.
spoke about this.
Baag.
Being a sniper, the last man is not
Baal,
at all the
Baal,
best
Baal.
way to play it. If that Suzy passive works out, he has a lot of coins. He does
Baal.
it at this point, but that's only 1300. Not a full squad revive, but
अरे
he still
Maal,
managed to
तो
do
जा
something
भी किसके
because
पास
it's
रहा
the
है?
early game.
Yep, and he's forced to backtrack as well because you have Bunny from S8UL Gaming on that low ground. No vending machines inside Ma'ao. With the
माल
weight
गया।
of the entire team on his shoulders,
माल
just
की
like
लग
the
गई
previous
लंका भाई,
game. He's
माल
done
निपट
it
जाएगा
once, but
देखना।
there's only a limit to how much revives he can bring back before
बढ़िया
the
भाई,
weight
बढ़िया
crushes
यार।
him. Check back with RQ in just a little bit. Straw has now showed up the compound of Mia Corp, who are just
वो पीछे जा रहा है
vacating
वो।
the spot. But you gotta look back at this moment where Ma'ao gets the setup to his team, finds 2, but immediately the response came in from Mafia to get even more damage
वो
done.
फिर से आ गया माल यहाँ पे।
Wait, Mal? He takes the zip line, heading back.
It's a vending
RRQ, he
machine.
did not get the
वो
revive.
क्यों नहीं
Yeah,
किया
this was a
शेंकी ने?
very
वो
risky
तो
approach. Shanky,
zip
if
line
he
पे
knew
था।
that was happening through the zip line, he could have taken him down. But Maal making a run. Shanky has spotted him, but I
It's gonna be
think
close.
he will be able to manage. No! He gets flown!
Oh, Maal.
Just in time. Rans and Dots get picked. And they're
But
back in
Shanky,
action. They'll be flying
लोग
up,
क्यों नहीं किया
but
उसको?
almost Shanky got him, and he would have taken that knife and driven through.
So now they're going to be put to the test. Can they stand up against Twisted Minds in that early game gunfight?
It's going to be difficult for them. They've already faced a challenge. They had to
अरे सिस्टम हो गया ये क्या हो गया
revive the player, and you can see Twisted Minds have no thought of backing off, and early I don't see them retreating from this fight. They're stuck here, and it could become even more difficult because the resources in the early game will not be that great, and the challenge is still happening. Twisted Minds have a glue wall right in front. Yosko's waiting. Doesn't work over there, but still Exposy tries to bring it back and exchange on the elimination.
कोई भी
And
टीम
it's
क्रैश नहीं
Total
देगी इंडिया से
Gaming
भाई
that is the one that caused disaster for both squads,
कोई
really
भी
getting
team
that elimination
crash
early on
नहीं
onto the mask. And it's going to stop
team
every
zero वाले
altercation
आते
that
ही।
has happened to this point and shift the focus of Twisted Minds towards themselves. 3 eliminations
Mafia
early
angle
on.
भी है।
Al Hadi gets bailed out of this situation.
दो किला है Mafia
Everyone
के।
lives on, but let's see how far Total Gaming wants to push this.
Total Gaming Esports, Aiku,
Oye,
they
ऐसा
wanted
नहीं
this
दिया
opportunity
एक
for a long time. Their
एक
team
और
in the
खेल।
making itself needed some fine-tuning with the new addition coming in water. And it seems like it's working out, and there it is, Shanky. He finds one, but
भाई
quickly
टोटल
cleared
गेमिंग
off by
समझ गई
Diamond. So there is answer coming in from Twisted Mind, but they have to be wary. And Mafia looks like he's back in form, picks up timing. The man who troubled them, that is another elimination added to the pool. And Total Gaming right at the start get a total of 6 troubling Twisted Minds.
यार समझ गए
Took off on a sprint in a marathon and off to a great start.
हाँ वो भी कम कर सकता हूँ ना मैं कर दिया ओह अरे 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 बढ़िया भाई लेट्स गो सही समय पे एंट्री बिल्कुल
challenge they had to revive the player and you can see Twisted Minds have no thought of backing off and early I don't see them retreating from this fight. They're stuck here and it could become even more difficult because the resources in the early game will not be that great and the challenge is still happening. Twisted Minds have a blue wall right in front. Oscar's really in time.
भाई 3 elimination
but still Exposy
माफिया के पास में है
back and exchange on an elimination.
And it's Total Gaming that is the one that caused
अभी सही है ना आवाज मैंने बंद कर दी
getting that elimination early on onto the pass.
अच्छा गेम साउंड भी बंद हो गई है
गेमिंग
भाई गेम साउंड भी बंद हो गई है तो थोड़ा कम करना पड़ेगा।
जानते थे कि मल्टीपल टीम्स मिल पे क्लैश लेने के लिए आएंगी और
अरे वो कास्टर के पीछे आके बजा रहे ना वो
इसीलिए
तो आएगी वो
ऑप्शन यही है कि खुद
नहीं आगे गेम की साउंड मैंने म्यूजिक बंद कर दिया यार उसमें म्यूजिक चल रहा है ना एक और ऑप्शन है म्यूजिक के बिना अगर चालू करना है तो वही कर दिए
यहाँ पे काफी अच्छी तरीके से
बढ़िया यार एक और किल
बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक भी बंद और वो भी पर गेम साउंड आ गई
डाउन किया है इस वक्त मिल का कॉन्कर करके पूरा कब्जा लेना चाहते हैं शैंकी को गिराया
बढ़िया टीजे के 5 किल हो गए
एलिमिनेशन ब्रो
काम कर रहे हैं माफिया
भाई ये तो वो एस12 की फाइट अरे भयंकर लाइन से हो रही है यार
एंड नाउ आईक्यू टोटल गेमिंग उनके पास उनका ये ड्रॉप पॉइंट आ चुका है। जी हाँ काफी अच्छी नीति काफी
टाइम क्या चल रहा है एक बार बता मुझे
आईक्यू टोटल गेमिंग
टाइम चल रहा है 3:31